This tutorial will guide you on how to print a recipe label using the report catalog on EGS CalcMenu web. First, click on the Recipe tab. Then click the List button. In the name field, type your recipe name or keywords. Then click Search. Select the correct recipe for the list. In this example, we are using pomelo and shrimp salad, yam somo. Click on the correct recipe. Then, simply click the Print Details button. Click on Report Catalog. You can change the number of labels to be printed by editing the number of copies for a label field. Click Print. A preview of your document will appear. When you are satisfied with your document, click the print icon on the upper right side.